Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. By a judgment dated 24 August 2021, a division bench at the Indore bench of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh rejected a petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India challenging a detention order passed against the appellant under Section 3(2) of National Security Act 1980. The detainee is in appeal. Para. The appellant is a director of City Hospital, Jabalpur. On 10 May 2021, FIR number 252/2021 was registered at Police Station Omti, Jabalpur under sections 274, 275, 308, 420 and 120B of the Indian Penal Code 1860, Section 53 of the Disaster Management Act 2005 and Section 3 of the Epidemic Diseases Act 1897. The appellant was arrested in connection with the FIR on 26 May 2021. After the investigation, a final report under Section 173 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 was submitted on 6 August 2021. The allegation against the appellant is that in conveyance with certain others, he procured fake remdesivir injections which were administered to patients during the COVID-19 pandemic in order to make illegal profits, thereby endangering the life of the general public. Para. On 12 May 2021, the appellant was detained in pursuance of an order of detention dated 11 May 2021 under Section 3(2) of the NSA for a period of 3 months. Para. It is alleged that the police station of B Division in District Morbi of Gujarat seized fake remdesivir injections from a factory where they were manufactured, and an FIR was registered in that regard. On 10 May 2021, the statement under Section 161 of the CRPC of a co-accused by the name of Divesh Chaurasia, who was running a pharmacy in the hospital owned by the appellant, was recorded to the effect that the appellant had procured fake remdesivir injections without a bill. The appellant is said to have collected the injections through a person named Prakhar Kohli from Indore, who sent the cartons through a transporter called Amba Travels. The fake remdesivir injections were stated to have been administered to 50 patients at the city hospital on 30 April 2021. In his statement under Section 161 of the CRPC recorded on 10 May 2021, Prakhar Kohli stated that the appellant's son had on 21 April 2021 asked him to send the fake remdesivir injections from Indore to Jabalpur. Prakhar Kohli was made to speak to the appellant in that connection. Prakhar Kohli is stated to have sent the fake injections through Amba Travels, and these injections were received at Jabalpur by the co-accused Divesh Chaurasia on behalf of the appellant. Para. On 11 May 2021, the Superintendent of Police Jabalpur made a request to the District Magistrate to take action against the appellant under the NSA. The SP reiterated the allegations against the appellant of having procured and administered fake remdesivir injections to COVID-19 patients. The appellant is alleged to have procured 500 injections worth rupees 115 lakhs. The SP stated that the newspapers had widely reported that there was a public outcry following the appellant's actions, which were likely to disturb the public order. Following the recommendation of the SP, the district magistrate passed an order on 11 May 2021 under Section 3(2) of the NSA detaining the appellant for a period of 3 months. Para. crime number 400 of 2004 dated 23 May 2004 under sections 395, 397 and 120B of the IPC and sections 25 and 27 of the Arms Act 1959 registered at police station Gorakhpur, in which the appellant was accused of attacking a person with deadly weapons. The appellant was acquitted. In this case, City Hospital and Research Center owned by the appellant had ordered 500 fake remdesivir injections worth rupees 15 lakhs at the rate of rupees 3000 per piece by an invoice number 0063 dated 20 April 2021, which were procured by means of fake bills from a manufacturing company situated in Gujarat, against whom an FIR had been registered by the Gujarat police. Stop para. A public agitation and outcry had spread across the city of Jabalpur, with news items being published leading to an apprehension of a law and order situation in the area. Para. In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, several cases were reported where the patients needed remdesivir injections, and cheating patients for administering fake essential drugs is a punishable offense. The order of detention was communicated to the appellant on 11 May 2021. The appellant was detained on 12 May 2021. The government of Madhya Pradesh approved the order of detention on 13 May 2021 in terms of the provisions of Section 3(4) of the NSA. Stop.